Same muntu.
Same muntu.
Yes.
Same person.
Wasinikeza information ukuthi khona icontainer noma ngasakhumbula ukuthi ayikuphi.
He also gave us information about a container which was there, but I cannot remember where exactly it was.
Noma kuyise Phoenix noma eDurban North angisakhumbuli kahle.
Whether it was in Phoenix or Devon North, I cannot remember well.
Esahamba sayo isebenza sathi nasiyafika kuyona safika ukuthi ama drugs awasekho.
We went there and we conducted the operation, but on our arrival, the drugs were no longer there.
Akwazi ukuthatha thubani.
We do not know who removed them.
Ileo operation kuphela ngasebenza nayo.
That's the only other operation I had worked with.
And when was that?
Kwakunini.
Same year. Same year.
Same year.
Just maybe 2 or 3 months before the operation.
I think 2 or 3 months apart.
Yes. So when Colonel Jacobs says you are an experienced, I think investigator or police officer in drug busts, he can only speak to that one operation because you've not had any other operations with him.
Uthi yena wena unasi isipiliyoni salo madrag. Kodwa nasibheka ukhuluma isipiliyoni sale yodwa uwasebenza kuyona?
Cha.
No.
Yeah, tell us about that. That's why I asked you what other operations have you done with him. You say you've done only one. And that one operation you described, you actually found nothing. So, and now you say he can speak to your vast experience. If he has not worked with you in drug busts, how does he know anything about your experience in drug busts?
Thana masicacisela lana ukuthi njobe bethu nesipiliyoni wena ngawakha amagama unesipiliyoni wena ngawakha amagama uchaze ukuthi kuke waba kanye nje vo la usebenze naye kwakhona kuyobamba lama idakwamiza kodwa ke manje ngabe ukhuluma ngeloko kodwa ukukhona okunye mhlambe ongasishongo okwenza ukuthatha unesipiliyoni.
Ngisebenzile ka-SANAP unit.
I did work at SANAP unit.
Dealer investigation yama drugs kuphela.
Which deals with investigation of the drugs only.
So bekwazi lokho.
He knew about that.
So your answer is you've worked with him. Because remember my question to you was, have you worked with him? You said once. And now I'm trying to understand when you say he's able to speak to your experience, how would he know if he's not worked with you before?
Ubona ke manje uthanda ukucacisela kahle ukuthi ngabe uthini kahle nje. Ngoba uthi usebenzile kokunye uthi usebenze naye kanye. Kodwa manje sokuthatha ukuthi bese yena bese ayibeka ukuthi uyazi ukuthi unesipiliyoni kanjani. Wachaza lapho.
Yeah, ngisebenzile naye officeini elilodwa.
I had worked with him in the same office.
Kodwa angisebenzanga naye kwi-section eyodwa yama drugs.
But not in the drug section. I never worked with him there.
When he says he knows that you are an experienced, it's because you've worked in the same organization, not because he has seen your involvement in operations and how you conducted yourself in operations for him to be able to say you're an experienced person. It's only because you worked for the same organization.
Usho ukuthi ke ngamanye amagama uthi wena uyazi ukuthi unesipiliyoni ngoba nani sebenza ndawonye lapho kule office. Kodwa akaza kubona ukubamba uyeka ukuthi hayi le ndoda iyaswazi lomsebenzi. Azange kubone lokho.
Cha, besebenza eofficeini elilodwa. Kodwa ngisebenza kwenye section.
We were working in the same office, but I was working in another section.
So
What was that section?
Kwakuyini leyo section?
yeah, SANAP.
SANAP.
What did you do in that section?
Wawenzani khona lapho?
Drug investigations. Drug investigations.
Drug investigation.
So you got involved in drug busts?
Kusho ukuthi
In that
nawe
section.
wawukhona ukuthi kungene la kwebhastwa khona abantu ama-drug bust.
Yebo kunjalo.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, Mrs. Kakane.
I think that takes care some of the questions, but just to follow up on that, on your paragraph 18, which is page 4 of your statement, you don't need to go there. You say that you were an experienced drug investigator, and would that mean because to make that statement, that must mean that you know how to handle drug investigations and scenes.
Kuthiwa ke manje nawubheka lapha ku page 4 ngicishe lapha phansi ku 18 utheke wena unalo ulwazi olunzulu isipiliyoni lesikhuluma ngaso ukuphenyeni kwama drugs. Manje just repeat that question. The question is
You would have experience and knowledge how to deal with.
kusho ukuthi ke uvele unalo ulwazi nokwazi ukusebenzisana ngale ndlela yama drugs.
Yebo kunjalo.
Yes, that is so.
Thank you. That is before June 2022.
Kusho ukuthi
2021, apologies.
sikhuluma ngesikhathi ngaphambi kwale date ka June 2021.
Yebo kunjalo.
Yes, that is correct.
Then, and at that time, you were also a detective or warrant officer, which is a senior position. Well, not too senior.
Ukusho ukuthi futhi ke kuyabonakala ukuthi wena lapho ke wawumphenyi osemkantshobomvu phakeme kodwa hayi kakhulu.
Warrant officer nje.
Just warrant officer.
Okay, no, thanks. But you would have had a fair amount of training in scenes and investigations.
Kodwa wawuqeqeshekile ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi uphenye ubhekisise kahle.
Yebo kunjalo.
Yes, it is so.
Just ask a question on the back of that. In these other operations that you say you were involved with as an investigator, what role have you played in those operations?
Ulamanye ama-operation uthi la uthi nawo bombandana kena khona uphenyeni ngabe kahle kahle wawenzani ngqo yiphi indima uyithatha lapho?
Umuntu wayefike athole information ukuthi say kuyadayiswa kaMbele.
One will receive information
Ukuthi kuyadayiswa kudayiswa ama drugs kaMbele.
that drugs are being sold at Mbele's.
Bese applyela i-authority ukuthi uhambe uyothenga khona.
Then you'd apply for an authority to go and purchase.
Usunaye vele umuntu ozohamba uyothenga.
Uzomthola.
Umuntu ozohamba uyothenga ama drugs.
And then you'll get somebody who would go and make this purchase.
Bese musu itholile leyo authority then busu uyahamba umthumela umuntu ethi ahamba uyothenga ama drugs.
Once the operation has been given to me, then I'd go and get hold of that particular person who would go and buy the drugs.
Mayise wathengile bese siyabopha.
Ubopha ufake esitolo.
Lo
Oh.
lo
Yeah, after he had made the purchase, thereafter would arrest.
ama drug dealer i-dealer le kuyona edayisile.
Arresting that particular dealer who has sold it.
Iwona ama cases amaningi esasiwenza ke lawo.
Those were among many cases that we were involved in.
So you were involved in setting up I think it's commonly referred to as sting operations, where you would get somebody to go by and then arrest and make an
Kusho ukuthi
arrest.
wena wawukhona lapha impela onentshumetho ama-sting operation la ukuthi kwenziwe wawungene la.
Yebo kunjalo.
That is correct.
Thank you.
I think earlier, either in response to the, to the chairperson or Commissioner Malloy, you had cited an example of sins or past that you were involved in. So I would just want to confirm, you had been involved in similar drug seizures or past?
Uthi ke kubuyeleni kumbuzo bobuza uCommissioner Baloyi khulunywe ukuthi nasikhuluma ngamabhasi wazi kahle futhi wena ukuthi ukubhasta lamali kahle kahle kusho ukuthi bewuke wakwenza lokho.
Ngakazi.
I'd never done it.
Okay, let's then go back to your statement.
Ucela ke sibuyele ku statement sakho.
You go there. There seems to be confusion, the earlier answer and the answer given now. If warrant officer can just clarify this, has he ever attended a drug bust such as one involving containers or moving trucks as in vehicles? Sorry, my voice is a bit terrible. Has he ever attended to a bust where drugs were in a container or a large truck or something similar to that?
Ngathi ngabe singabuyela emuva khona la ngathandanga ukuzwakala kahle. Umbuzo nje oqondile ukuthi ngabe ngaphambilini wake waba khona kulama bust ama drugs aku container.
Angakazi.
There's another part, Commissioner, container end. Noma hanjiswa nge-truck.
Angakazi.
Never.
Or at a harbor?
Mhlambe la ngena khona imkhumbi kuma harbor. No.
I think where we were a bit, but perhaps there's an explanation to it, is where there's reference to the fact that you are an experienced investigator.
Yabona ikahle kahle lento ibuyela kakhulu kulapha ukuthi ke wena umphenyi onolwazi olunzulu nesipiliyoni.
Yeah.
Yes.
Then, if we go to the date in question, I had requested to understand earlier on when you were going through it that your interaction with the CI operative.
Eqaleni ke kuye kwafuna kwazakala kahle ukuthi wena ukubandakanya kwakho ku operation la no CI lesikhuluma ngayo.
Had you've only worked with him once as well?
Ungabe uthi wasebenza naye kanye vo
Prior this operation.
prior to this operation.
Correct. And then now, in relation to this operation, I don't want to waste too much time. I think we can take it for granted that you are familiar with the national instruction and the relevant protocols around seizures and crime scenes.
Uthi ngeke asilokho simoshe isikhathi kodwa futhi mhlambe ngabe wena uyazi kahle ukuthi umgomo ufune kulandelwe makusetshenziswana ngezinto ezinjengalezi nasefaka uprotocol uyawazi.
Ma overt operation, yes.
Kuma
Overt operation.
yes, when it comes to overt operation, yes.
Can you clarify that?
Awuchaza usho ukuthini?
Ama overt operation ila, like for instance, kubulawa umuntu, bulawe say bulawe police. wonke umuntu uyazi lokho ukuthi kubulawa iphoyisa. So
An overt operation is an incident like when a police officer has been murdered. I take it, it's a well-known by almost everybody that that had transpired.
so mo attenda isine njengaleyo uyazi ukuthi fanele wenze njani.
So if you are called upon to attend such a scene, I would know exactly what to do.
Yeah, nama armed robbery cases, scenes, nakhona
Such as armed robbery cases, scenes,
amacala angafihlekile la aziwe
those are openly known cases which are not hidden. It's known.
kanti ama-covert operations akwazi nombani ukuthi khona umsebenzi owenzayo i-operation oyenzayo.
But when it comes to covert operation, it's not known by many. What type of operation are you involved in?
Nama-scenes akhona for sure akafani.
Even the scenes thereof are not similar.
Wa-attenda ngendlela ehlukene.
You attend to them differently.
Please explain that, why should what you do at the scene differ according to whether an operation is covert or overt?
Awuchaze ndoda, usho kanjani ukuthi kube khona umehluko lama operation ku covert nalenenye?
Ngizobeka nje i-typical example ye-covert operation.
I'll make this example when it comes to covert operation.
Uma uthole information ukuthi eposini, post office,
If you get an information about a post office,
kune parcel
if there is a certain parcel
elinama drugs,
containing drugs,
uyahamba ufike ulithathe
you go and seize it or take it,
bese ungalisi e-station esingaphansi kwaleyo post office.
then you'd not take it to the police station which is under the same jurisdiction as that post office,
Ngoba ubalekela ukuthi i-information ingaliki.
in avoidance of the leakage of information.
Sorry, Warrant Officer. I do not quite see why the destination of what you have seized has anything to do with how you handle the crime scene itself.
Angaboni ukuthi-
Where the exhibit lands ultimately, to my mind, subject to your response, has nothing to do with how you handle the crime scene. Please make me understand. I'm not saying you are wrong. You know better. You are the expert, but it doesn't really make sense to me.
Uyabona ukuthi impela hayi ukuthi kanjani kodwa ufuna ukwazi kahle ukuthi kahle uchaza ukuthina ukuthi njengoba ukhuluma ukuthi uhandlela kanjani ubamba kanjani ukwenza ukuthizeni uthi ngathi akaqondisisi kahle lapho ukuthi ufuna ukuthini.
Yeah, into engifuna ukubeka ukuthi ama-operation, i-covert operation
What I want to clarify is the covert operation
ne-overt operation
and the overt.
Overt
And the
operation.
overt operation,
awukusebenzi ngendlela efanayo.
the operations thereof are not the same.
Okunye kuba public knowledge babone ukuthi no sekwenzekile ukuthi
One will be in the public knowledge, people will know what has happened.
You see what the last thing you've said now explains the difference between the two,
Lokho qeda ukusho,
which is something that you've done already. And also the first thing you said, which is that you do not handle the crime scenes in the same manner that too is already before us. You've told us that. I've asked you a question as to why it is that the ultimate destination of the exhibit has anything to do with the question, what's the difference between handling the crime scene in an overt situation and a covert situation? What's the difference, and why should there be a difference? In explaining that, what you said was the difference is with a covert operation, you take the exhibit to a police station outside in explaining that, what you said was the difference is with a covert operation, you take the exhibit to a police station outside of the jurisdiction of where the crime, or rather where the exhibit was retrieved. So I said, I don't quite see why that has anything to do with how you handle the crime scene itself. Where the exhibit lands ultimately, to me, has nothing to do with how you handle the crime scene itself. That's what my question is about.
Commissioner, with due respect, I'll try to summarize it. It was a bit long.
I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
Nowethu-ke ngizangizo zami kodwa nawe uzwile okunye. Nasi sithi yathi yakufinqa nje ngokuthi uthi kahle kahle ukhuluma ngezinto ezimbili ukuthi manje akutholi kahle ukuthi yini lokhu khuluma ngomehluko ngoba kukhona la ufuna ukuthatha izinto uzise lapha ya impela kuba khona ukuthi kunani kunambambisana kuphi.
Maybe sorry,
Yes, maybe
let's
can
start,
assist the
let's
commissioner,
start.
not
Yes,
too long.
yes. I'm not saying you're wrong, I'm
Yeah.
not saying you're wrong, I just want to break it down. You'll remember when I asked you the difference, or rather, why it is that, no. I asked, what's the difference
Ubuziwe ukuthi umehluko yini?
in the manner in which you handle crime scenes? The crime scene in respect of a covert offense, and the crime scene in respect of an overt.
Ukuthi umehluko muphi obakhona mawubhekene nalo COVID noma ubhekene nalo overt. Nasuphenyisisa lapho.
And you said, with a covert offense, operation, you retrieve the exhibit, and you do not take it to the police station within which the area of retrieval falls.
Sithi ke ngo-covert operation ushilo ukuthi ke naso kuthathile lokho awukuse police station eseduze naleyo ndawo njenge post office la kutholakale khona.
Yeah.
And instead, you take it to some other police station.
Bese lokho bese uthatha ukuyise kwenye police station kwenye indawo.
Ukuyise office la uzofika uregister khona kwi-13 as a office.
We first take it to the office where he's gonna get registered into SAPS 13.
But you said you take that exhibit to some other police station, not the one within which this police station falls.
Kodwa ushilo ukuthi ekugcineni uzoyithatha lokho okutholile ukuse kwenye office kwenye ndawo thizeni
Yes.
hayi lela eduze.
Ayi kwenye police station. Ukuthatha kuleyo ndawo leyo bese uyisa e-office lakho la uzofika ukungene uku-entarishe kwi-register.
Usukushilo lokho.
Yes.
Ya kodwa ekugcineni bese ukuthatha ukusaphi.
Ekugcineni what do you mean?
Angidazi from office ina kusakhona kusakhona.
Ukuthatha ukuyise lab.
Oh, no, actually, it happens like this. We could go to your office, designated office where you register it in SAPS 13. Thereafter, you'll take it to the lab.
Okay, I will not belabor that and will not make any further follow-up. The point is, this takes me back to the question I asked. What is the difference in the manner in which you handle the crime scenes in respect of the two types of operations?
Bisela ke kuloyo mbuzo oqalwe kuwona ukuthi kahle kahle umehluko yini obakhona kulezi zinto ezimbili ku crime scene ngendlela osebenza ngakhona.
Uba mncane kakhulu.
It's minimal.
Kwi crime scene le overt yonke into uyenza openly abantu
At the
bebuka.
crime scene of the covert or overt
Overt.
of the overt, you just do things there and there openly. Anybody can take a view thereof.
Kanti ku crime scene le ye covert noma abantu bekhona usheshe ukuphuthumise ukiso ukubeka kwenye indawo ukuze kungalikhi information izifike kumuntu okuyena ofuna ukugcina umbophile.
When it comes to the other one, COVID, even if people are present, you will endeavor or will try to swiftly move this so that it could not, the information should not leak.
Leak information kuma suspects.
It would not leak to the suspects.